I forgot you can't. Alright, so today we should be getting the radio wired in for the yellow e36. So that should be pretty cool. Yeah. Per usual, I had starting issues, so I started it and then went to the post office so it could warm up and everything. So hopefully I won't have the starter problem later on. Not sure what else we're doing today, most likely just the radio, but I do have a couple parts to pick up, just a couple little things that I want, because it's just like, I really just cannot bear driving this car as it is, even though it's still automatic and stuff. But yeah. Then another thing that I've been thinking of is doing a V8 swap. So I've been seeing quite a bit of what do you call them, E39s, 6-speed, like the M62 B44, and then 6-speed, so that is pretty good. So it's like, I could do that. Like, I could buy like a parts car for like $500, $1,000, buy a swap kit and a swap harness. That's like another, like, what, $500 to $1,000. Grab a new clutch, that's like $500. Swap everything over, that's gonna be like maybe another $750. And then I could part out the E39 and then scrap the shell, and then that's basically gonna be like $1,500 or so for a 6-speed V8, the nice clutch and everything like that, ready to make some power. And then I've been seeing these the superchargers from the Jaguar, the M122. You can grab that for like $1,500. For the swap kit, the supercharger itself is like $150, $200. Another $200 for the rebuild kit, if anything, or get it ported. That's gonna be like, in total everything will be about like another $2,500. So that'll basically be $4,000 all in, like with labor and everything, for a supercharged V8. And it'll make like 400 horsepower, 450 torque, and that's perfect. Like, yeah. And then I'm gonna keep the M52, build it, and then I could get another E36 and put the built one in, because it's just like, could. But that's just like an option. Like, I'm just weighing all my options: V8, N54, M52, all that. So yeah, I'm not saying I am going to do that, but I'm saying it's an option. So yeah, let me get inside because it's cold. It's so cold.
Settings.
Wow, the response is actually pretty quick for a cheap low.
Yeah, very responsive.
Damn.
I love the touchscreen too. Okay. We need to go home. Nice.
Yo, that's quick as shit. What the hell? I didn't expect it to be that responsive at all. Yeah.
And I'm used to laggy radios. Just need to find Bluetooth or some type of factory settings, color. It's nice options here.
Right. Yo, that's really kind of crazy to me.
Oh, Bluetooth right there, right in front of my face. Awesome.
That, wow. I'm actually like genuinely surprised. Like, this is actually quite a responsive touchscreen system. Like, oh yeah, it's pulling full that way. But yeah. Alright, people. I'm trying to tell y'all, like I think this thing will cost y'all like $65. This is actually a very viable option for E36 because you can't use one of the doubled-ins with the long, like with the back that's long, or else you'll be hitting the heater core. And as you can see, the heater core is back there, and you can see how slim of a profile this thing is. I believe it's like 2.5 inches. You can't go past like 3 or 3.5. So yeah, that's basically the doubled-in install in the E36. It does require some cutting, but it's really not that bad. Basic hand tools and everything like that, and you'll be all set. And then you just need some finagling, sanding, stuff like that, just to get it, if you want to make it fit perfectly and everything. But look at that. Like, this
nice capacitive,
right,
radio,
like
yeah.
That is, I'm like, y'all may think I'm forcing it, but I'm really being dead ass. Like, I was actually just tested out somebody else's radio that they told me they paid $225 for.
And
it was not right. And it comes with a remote, comes with a backup camera that has a light. Where is it? Yep, right back here. So we'll probably get this thing on later on or whatever. But like this, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I'm being 100% dead ass. This is not bad at all.
Quick install.
And especially for a quick install. And then if you're local to Boston, could probably get you a good deal on the install with the person who just did mine. So if he wants, I could put his information in the description. Y'all hit him up, get some stuff done. He can help you out with tech support, anything like that. But you know, time is money. It's not going to be free. You're going to get a good deal, but it's not free. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little while after we finish doing everything. And yeah, all right, so we're doing the other doubled in my boy Derek's car. So that's the one that's going in, or that's the one that's coming out? Yeah, so that's the old one. So my nigga Derek is clean out here now. Red RSX, and we got the yellow RSX. And then it's funny because I got the yellow E36 and then my other boy got the red E36, so it's all types of ketchup and mustard whips out here. Like, then we got the mayo M3. Like, niggas is out here with the condiment whips, man. Like, stop playing with niggas. Yeah, we out here. I'm gonna show y'all some clips of whatever he gets done, because his radio is definitely gonna be better than mine, because mine's literally a $40 one, but it is viable because the touchscreen and everything is very responsive, and I'm genuinely surprised at the quality of it. So yeah.
Audio, can you pair to Bluetooth, please?
It's connected.
Yep, connected, all set, ready to go. Gonna clean up this back area right here so it doesn't look like nobody was in here.
This one, SRS?
It's supposed to be
Neural?
Nah, that's my, yeah, that's the van.
I think it's...
Well, if you've already connected to it before, it should be in your...
No, the Sky.
Oh, okay.
Sky International. Okay. Connected.
And play some music for me so I can make sure that everything else works in this car. Your amps light up.
It's a lights up, yeah. It's behind the seat though. Play some Bluetooth.
Okay, so after this, we ended up putting the original radio back in Derek's car because there was like an issue with the Bluetooth, so he's just gonna get the radio swapped out, and then I'm gonna have the guy come back and finish his another day. And I also have to get the backup camera installed on mine. We just couldn't find a space, so what I'm probably gonna do is cut into the trunk and make a little slot so the wire can go through. But yeah, here's Oliver. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm going to be testing out more features on the doubled-in. It's actually pretty cool. And for $40, I really can't complain. I may even put a second doubled-in down there.